Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And to those who are in Dubai, good evening to you. So, guys, we don't have much time. I'm just gonna focus mostly this evening on NAS. I have got some trade running on Euro USD, and I posted that I sent the signal on my group. Let me just break it down a little bit before I go ahead to analyze NAS. Okay. So we have 1 hour here. 1 hour hits a dead end. I would say this. I would call this a dead end because 1 hour ran into this weak rejection here, and it doesn't have anywhere else to go. So at least for some time, even if the move is going to resume, I mean, it has to go down at least, to hit 99898, and that simply means that I'm already in a position here. I got in here. I know this is bullish, but I'm against the trend. But then, if I hit stop loss, is fine. It's just a calculated move. Okay. So at this dead end for this pair, I gave out a signal. And what actually prompted this signal? This is it. This is what prompted the signal. Okay. I am here, and I saw this. This move actually happened. And when this move happened, the next one followed. Right after this breakout of this area, there was a breakout of this area, right? So after this break, I expected something to happen, which is a pullback, a pushback to that zone, to 70 to 88% of that zone, and that pullback happened. So I got in here. I got in at sorry. I got in at that zone. I got in at this area. Okay, the moment I saw this, my sweet formation, happening, I got in. Anticipating price to move down all the way to 99898. Okay, so I'm still in this position now. Let's see how this position is going to work out. If not for the fact that I'm streaming, this candle that went up here, I would have added like 50 more position here. I'm sorry, guys. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose. With me, it's always a normal trade because if you've been following me for a while now, you know that I'm in a mission, which is I'm in a challenge now right now, which is to convert $1,000 to $1 million in a couple of weeks. Okay, in very tight weeks, perhaps in 1 week, perhaps in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks, in 4 weeks, in 5 weeks, in 6 weeks, depending on how I met with challenges along the way. Guys, do not get me wrong. It's never a straight path. It's never a straightforward movement. So you gotta be very careful if you want to take on challenges like this. So if you see me opening multiple positions, it means I can handle it. I'm risking more than not more than I can afford to lose. So you don't have to open multiple positions with me. But then I'm telling you that if I were not on live stream when this happened, because I'm sure that this was gonna go down at least to this level, right? I was just gonna add a couple of more trades here, 50 more trades here. So that's how I pacify myself. Oh, I'm like, oh, price, you want to play with me? You are going against me without my permission, right? Okay, take more 50 positions, all right? That's what I do. Kidding, guys. But I was gonna add 50 more positions, okay? Hello, Mr. Stefai Loniter. It's nice to have you around. Thank you so much. Good morning to you as well. His guys from Trading View. And over there on YouTube, nobody has said hi to me. Hey, friends on YouTube, at least if you're not going to say hi to me, please go ahead and like my stream. Thank you. Hello, Zuhair, the first person to say hi to me on YouTube. My rationale friend. How are you? All right, let's go ahead, guys. Let's go ahead. So this is my Euro USD analysis, and you can see it's playing out into my numbers. Once price hits, I have stop loss in place, and I have a couple of positions with take profit. But once price hits here, the position that does not have take profit, I'm just going to go ahead and close them manually, or perhaps I could just close out now. Let me just show you guys a snippet of what I'm talking about. This is my trade. This is the trade I have open now. You see, I'm in massive profits already, so I think I better close that because my attention is going to be divided. I don't want to, divide my attention today. Oh, guys. Woo! That was massive, guys. Let me close out. I'm closing, I'm closing, I'm closing, I'm closing out. I'm closing. Woo! Guys. Can I get some woo in the house, guys? Some apologies if I'm irritating you, but I'm just getting excited for my challenge. I've turned 5,000 dirhams into 108 going to what 110 dirhams. I've turned 5,000 dirhams into 110 dirhams. That is the challenge. That is the journey, guys. You see what I mean? So I sent signal for this trade on the group. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. This is it. I sent signal for this trade. I said Euro USD will sell till 99898. Risk on your own. Okay. So and it's happening already. So we have a couple of pips until this level is hit. That is, we have just 3 pips. So if we have 3 pips until this level is hit, why in the name of God are you still in the trade? Exit the trade, quit the trade, close the positions and go home. Okay? That is the way to trade. You don't have to wait for TP to hit. On the other hand, I've got my darling here, guys. I've got my darling here. I've got my darling NAS here. You know what I mean? So let's look at NAS. Let's look at NAS. Okay, hello, Anna. How are you? All you need to do, look at the screen. Look at the screen. If you want to join my, if you want to join my group, go to Telegram and type PPPdirhams. Type this name, and instantly you will see my group, and you are going to join my group immediately. You don't need to waste time about it. Okay, that is how to join my group. Okay. Okay, moving forward, guys. So daily time frame is kind of partially bullish, partially bearish. Why do I say partially bullish? I said partially bullish because yesterday closed bullish, but then without a week, right? And today has moved just a little bit off bullish, and everything is still bearish. And I think today has a plan. The daily time frame has a plan. What is the plan? 4 hours looks so bullish as well. That is, I would call this deceitful bullish. Why do I say so? Because there's a lot of noise here. Okay, this noise, you can't go ahead to ignore this noise. This noise, they mean a lot. This is support. This is a support zone until 4 hours at least breaks and closes below here. Then the next 4 hours perhaps could go up, retest, and then flip and continue going down. That is when I'm going to believe that it is no longer bullish. Okay, so 1 hour candle looks so bullish as well. Let me use 30 minutes for my illustration. Now this is today's plan. Anything outside this plan, I may have to wait it out. Okay, if anything happens that is not in this plan, I'm going to have to wait. Hello BK, how are you? Hello Simon Conley. Hello Nas. What's it's gonna do? Okay, that's that's the message, guys. Apologies if I'm so excited today because my trade so far is, I think Euro USD hits. Take profit, guys. I said it, guys. Come on. Look at the way it just hit the take profit so easily, and it's so exciting, right, guys? If my voice is irritating you guys, I suggest you reduce the volume, okay? Because I'm talking directly into the mic. All right. So our TP got hits. It's really very awesome to have this trade, right? I think. Wait 1 second, guys. Let's see. Oh, come on. I thought I took this trade on my second account. Damn. Okay, let me not get distracted. So for NAS, you can clearly see the pattern here, right? There is some sort of pattern forming on NAS. You can see this point, and all these are all aligned on the same. They are finding support on this trend line. Okay, and then this point, and all this, they are finding support again on this trend line. Okay, so this is what I suggest is going to happen with NAS. Okay, price is going to attempt now. Price has properly touched this line. So my do I say smart money zone, or do I say 70% to 88% of Fibonacci? So how did I get this line? I'm going to draw this line again so everybody can see that. So I got my Fibonacci retracement tool. I just click on the previous wave before this correction. That is this wave, the start of the wave. Okay, the week before, I mean the low of the wave, and the high of the wave. This is the high of the wave right here. So this is the high of the wave. I just mark it out on my chart and I wait price to fall into this zone. Once I get price to fall into this zone, and coincidentally as well, I have this trend line joining this low, this higher low, and then we need to get another higher low here. If we can get another higher low here, which we anticipate NYSE open to give us, NYSE open, we anticipate it to give us a higher low here, okay, thereby giving us, out of this perfectly aligned price actions, we are going to get a fake out here. That fake out is simply coming for this zone, right? If it comes to this zone, the next thing we need to see is that price goes all the way up. Is that clear? So this is what we want to happen by the grace of God. Okay, so it's all the grace of God, right? So let's see if this is actually going to happen. We expect price to draw down. Now it's touching the lower bounds of this triangle, of this channel here. And also, first of all, first confluence is touching the lower bounds of this channel here. One. Second, is already kissing, our it's I'm going to call this smart money level moving forward, in as much as I don't like that term smart money, but I'm just going to use it, okay? Because I've consulted a lot of my mentors and they told me, oh, this is actually smart money concept, okay? So I'm going to call it smart money level, okay? So it has kissed our smart money level. I just want to see some sort of fake out of this line, of this perfectly aligned price action. I want to see price fake out of this line and hit this triangle where that is perfectly aligned in this zone. And then once I see that, I'm going to switch into 1 minute and start looking for what? I'm start looking for reversal. Once I catch a reversal, then we look for trades accordingly. Okay, so this is my plan for NAS. Let's all have fun while we wait for price. For a volume to come in. Once volume comes in, we're going to observe for a couple of minutes, then we take a trade. And we expect our trade to just last very quickly, just like yesterday and other days. We expect just very quick trade so that we can just end the stream because I have a couple of things I want to do. If we're not getting a trade, I'm just going to end the stream. If we're getting a trade, then we take a trade and go home, okay? Go ahead and please like my stream and go ahead to do what? Follow me on my Telegram, okay? I'm not begging you to follow me on my social media platforms. I just want you to just join us on the Telegram so that you do what? You be part of the challenge. I just want everybody to, witness, the way we are doing with this, money, flipping stuff, right? As at yesterday, we were at 9,000 dirhams. Today, we are at 110,000 dirhams. That is 101 dirhams profit between yesterday and today alone. So, what is it telling you? It's telling you simply that this strategy is profitable. Simply put, okay, so let's see what price is actually doing. Do not get me wrong. I may be right in my analysis. I may be wrong. Okay, so do not think your Messiah is here or something. Your Messiah, your money Messiah is here. Oh my God, I'm going to die with this guy. In fact, I'm going to worship this guy. No way, guys. My analysis could be wrong. Maybe you can see NAS open, can see markets open, NYSE open, and you see NAS dropping until that kingdom come. I didn't cause it, guys. I just gave out a simple analysis. So I'm going to request you guys not to open any position until we have confirmed that everything has worked according to our plan. Okay, the fake out already is happening, so I don't know whether it should have happened before now or are we supposed to wait for NAS volume. If fake out is happening now, it means that if price is going up on NYSE open, it means that we may not have the opportunity because I want to get a good confirmation before I execute any trade. Tika? Okay, fine. Let's see. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close Euro USD. I've milked Euro USD today, so I don't want to talk about Euro USD in this stream unless anyone is requesting or placing any special request for us to talk about Euro USD or US30. If you want us to talk about Euro USD or US30, please go ahead and comment in the comment section so that we can talk about them. Okay. In less than 43 seconds, we're going to get some nice volume. I feel excited, but then I'm not happy because price already broke out of is doing something I want it to do when volume comes in. So perhaps it could mean one thing. Let's see. It may mean one thing, that price will actually drop until this level. If it drops until this level, which is, you can see obviously that is a very strong level, then we're going to look for buys from there. Okay. So let's see whatever is going to happen. If it goes up from here, then I may not be able to get into a position. Let's see. I just want us to see. I'm going to remove this because I used it to just. Oh, volume is here. I used it to mark my plans. All right, volume is here. Let's see what volume has in stock for us. It's stuck and it looks as if it's not going to happen. Guys, don't mind it. It's going to happen. Funny. So nice. If it blows past here, then we have to start looking for buys from here. Then, if it blows past here, if it blows across, if it slips through this, then we have to start looking for buys around this level. Okay. But before we open any single position, we must have to make sure that we see at least one reversal sign. Okay. To help us, hold our temper in case trade is going against us. Nice. This is playing out nice, guys. Are you seeing this? I'm not sure why price is all freezing up. I'm not sure why this is happening. I'm going to go ahead and remove this so that everyone have visibility. So at the moment, price is on. Okay, it was sitting on our trend line, but now I think it's trying to push down. Let's see. You just have to allow price play its game. If you want to play the game with price will definitely win you. It's rare. You have only 1% chance to win prize. Otherwise, prize had 99% of the whole opportunity to win you. Okay? Just give it time to finish its game. Once it's done with its game, get in. That's how to do it. I'm not saying that anybody here is a pro. You just stop saying this out of observation. Now, the volume is still much. Let's allow the volume to go down. I like what I see. What I would like now is for this candle, current candle, to close bearish. If it closes bearish, the next one should close bullish. If it closes bullish, then we push it. Oh, come on. Come on. Please close bearish. Come on. Okay. It wants us to go into position. Just hang on in there. Nice. We're waiting for now for the next candle. Nice. I love what I see, guys. I love what I see. I love what I see. I love what I see. Nice. Let's wait for the next candle to form. Then we can massacre it. Can massacre it. Okay. Come, what's it gonna be, man? Okay. Here is where I'm looking at. Okay, guys. This is where I'm looking at. Okay. And you have to be very. Oh, ho! Come on, that was fast. Come on. Why would you do that to me? Come on, that's not how we do it. That's not how we do it, buddy. Come on, man. That's not how we do it. Here we are patient, man. Okay, that's by the way. So This is gonna be our take profit 120 pips, guys. If you don't know how to pray, better learn how. Better learn now, because if this goes against us, I'm going to be pissed off with myself. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So we expect a push up to this level now because all our criteria has been met, right? So because we are done with this line, I'm just going to close it so that everyone can have good visibility of what we are doing, right? I'm gonna get place the price tag so that everyone is aligned on what we are doing. Nice. These are the price tags. So do not forget we are in, but price could still hit our stop loss. Why? We are increasing only 28 pips. If price hits our stop loss, then we wait for position around this zone. Okay. After testing this zone, if we hit stop loss again, again, we call it a day. Okay. I don't believe we're going to hit stop loss, but then if we hit it, it's the part of the plan. So if you risk more than you can afford to lose, it's all your fault. It's not my fault, okay? Because I told you guys earlier before now that you must use proper risk management, okay? That is the best way to make money in forex, okay? So let's see what possibly happened here. I'm gonna tell you guys what happened here. I'm gonna show you guys what actually happened here. Perhaps it is, perhaps it may not be, but this is what happened here. Okay, okay, this is actually what happened here. You see, okay, this breakout happened, right? The breakout happened, and this next candle actually retested 70% to 88% of that short wave. That's actually what happened, okay? But then I couldn't have gotten into the position at this level. I needed confirmation, right? So the only confirmation I had was this, and I got in there, and that was the only confirmation I have, right? So this is the only right place to get in. Okay, we can't get in here because price is pulling down. We don't know what price is doing, but I am only permitted to get in there because I know what I'm doing. If you know what you are doing, get in there. It's fine. But I am only permitted to get in there because I know what I'm doing. I know that price is actually coming down here to retest. So I can open multiple positions around here. But guess what? Unfortunately, I don't open multiple positions on NAS. Yeah, I could open, but it's rare. I opened multiple positions yesterday, but today, no, I didn't open today. Really, I didn't open multiple positions today on NAS. It's dangerous for me because of the multiple positions. I couldn't hold it longer yesterday. Do not forget, there is a huge possibility for price to hit our stop loss. Now, if you're not comfortable with this position, now is the time to exit. Please exit now. Don't let the price hit your stop loss and you start crying to me that I made you lose money. Okay? I'm not going to listen to you. Let's look at 30 minutes to see if there's anyhow we can shift our stop loss. No. No, 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 no. There's no opportunity to shift our stop loss. So we have to deal with this. We have to deal with it head on, head on, head on. We have to head it on. If you're not comfortable, please exit the trade now. I think that's the best thing you could do for yourself. Oh, Anna says you are magic. Woohoo! Thank you very much, Anna. I appreciate. If you know that I am magic, go ahead and tell your friends about me so they can join me as well on Telegram. Okay. Do not forget I'm magic, but price may hit our stop loss. All right. And Simon Conley says it forms a W pattern. Retest, right? Then we should go up. It's okay, Yani. Now, yesterday was special, right? The special occasion yesterday was that I saw the movement, I saw the price movement. I don't see any force today. If you observe, there's no force. Yesterday, there was a lot of force. That was why I waited for W pattern, right? But today, there was no force. That was why I have to get in the moment the break happened. Okay, because in some cases when there is no force, all you need to do is just get in the moment you get your breakout. This is our breakout here, right? This is our breakout. Yes. Let me draw it. This is our breakout. Okay, the moment our breakout happened, right? It makes sense if we get in, especially when there is no much volume. Get in because you may not get opportunity to get in again if you're waiting for W pattern. They don't form every time. Okay, and today it seems price is heading for our stop loss. Unfortunately, oh my God, what is price doing? What are you doing, price? Let's see 1 hour and see if there's any remedy here. There is no remedy here, guys. This should be the trade, but if it happens, that it doesn't become the trade, then we wait for another trade somewhere around this zone. Okay. Let's look at trading view to see if anyone dropped comment, and no one dropped comment and no one liked the stream. Come on, guys, like the stream on trading view. Show me some love, okay? Like the stream at least, and do not forget to join my Telegram group. Okay? It's very, very important that you join me to be part of my family. I consider everyone on my Telegram group as part of my family. Family. Sorry for that slip of tongue. Second, guys, I've got some important calls. Excuse me, guys. Okay, Simon Conley, I think this answered your question, right? W pattern formed. It's formed today, but believe me, it doesn't form every day. Believe me, it doesn't form every day. But if we can actually establish a confirmation around W formation, we're going to be pretty much very happy. Come on, man. I'm losing network. Why? Why? What's happening, guys? If we're going to put our confirmation around W formation, then it's going to be pretty much very easy on us. Why? Because if there's no W formation, there's no trade. With W formation, there's trade. I think that's actually because in some cases when there is no W formation, you get to find out that price actually reverses, right? So what's it going to be? Should we stick to that? This is something we have to discuss on the Telegram group. So if you want to be part of this discussion, join us on Telegram right here, okay? So that we can discuss. We're going to discuss this immediately we finish with streaming today, okay? We're going to discuss whether we're going to wait for W pattern per trade or we're just going to take trades. The moment we get a breakout, since we know already how these guys behave, okay? Maybe with W pattern we could actually get more confirmation because sometimes they may do some sort of reverse engineering, and with reverse engineering, it's tough. You're going to lose trade for a couple of days before you understand that, oh, these guys have done reverse engineering. If you know what I mean by reverse engineering, if you are a strategist, you're going to know what I'm talking about. Because I myself, I'm a strategist, and those guys that follow me on Telegram, they know that I'm a strategist. Why? Because a lot of them has actually seen me use a particular strategy, and after a couple of weeks, I'm going to change it. Why? Because I change it not because I'm not comfortable with them, because there's been some sort of reverse engineering around it. I need to dump it for some time, right? So that everything gets back to normal. Then I'm going to use it again. That's what I do. Okay. Okay, so far so good. We are already into profit to the tune of 41 pips. We're targeting 120. The moment we hit this line, we're gonna move stop loss to break even. If we hit this line, we're gonna move stop loss to break even and secure 50% so that we don't have to cry well when something goes wrong. Okay. At this point in time, we are still risking 28 pips. 28 pips. We're still risking, okay? So make sure your stop loss is intact, just in case something goes wrong. Oh man, German index is moving, guys. It's moving, guys. I think it's has more volume than NAS. German index actually has more volume than NAX. Let me see. NAS. Let's see. Break of above 42 pips and break up above here. See? Oh, 43. Okay, I think they have the same volume, the same momentum, stuffs like that. See, oh my god, I should have gotten into Euro USD. This is a trade I've been waiting for, guys. I've been waiting for these trades this morning. Damn, damn. See this, guys? This is life changer. I'm gonna show you guys. See? Did you guys see? I was waiting for this bullshit pair to hit here and reverse before I started stream. See? You remember when I said this is our TP? Our TP and price is going to form some sort of reversal pattern here and continue going up again. Now it has happened. I missed out. Mm, mm, mm. I don't like it. Euro USD is my darling. That every single move that Euro USD makes in a day, I'm part of it. Today, Euro USD has given me two opportunities, and I took these two opportunities seriously. First one, it gave me opportunity in the morning, and I took it. I don't want to go there. I took it. It gave me 21,000, and now this evening, it gave me another opportunity here, just right here, right? And I took it. Now I was waiting for this one to take it up, but then the streaming distracted me. Okay, let's talk about morning. This is the morning opportunity here. This is the opportunity that Euro USD gave me in the morning. This one gave me this. I got in here. Okay. I got in at this level. I got in 250 positions around here. Okay. With a very tight stop around here. Then what I got 21,000 here. That's beautiful. Oh, NAS. Back to NAS. So down with Euro USD. So, guys, do you think this is actually going to reverse? Do you think it's going to reverse and go against us? Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know. I think you don't need to let me know nothing, guys. I'm moving my stop loss to break even. I don't want to lose any money today, guys. I'm moving my stop loss to break even. If it breaks even, fine. I'm going to look for another trade, man. It's endless. The opportunity is endless, guys. I mean, there's nothing to match the opportunities, nothing to beat the opportunities, okay? I just moved my stop loss to break even, okay? Just in case. But you shouldn't do the same if you're not, if you are confident in this trade, okay? I'm very confident, but I don't want to lose even one single dollar today. Well, I don't want to lose $1 because there's a lot of opportunities. So if price comes down to my entry again, it means I still have fresh opportunities, so I can take another trade. I didn't close any partials yet. I just moved my stop loss to break even. So you should do the same, everyone. This area is going to be our first closure, partial closure. The difference between me and most some of the traders, not most, because I have seen a lot of traders that actually close these partials. A lot of traders close partials these days, but some of the traders that use my strategy, they don't like closing partials for some reasons. I don't know. They believe that God, they know everything and stuff, and they get beaten unnecessarily. So let's see. Oh, price is pushing down. Okay, I got in late, guys. You remember I got in late, so my trade is out. I'm out now, but then I'm gonna manage this trade with you guys because I don't have issues with doing that. I'm very happy doing that with you guys. So I'm out already because I got in very late. Let's see. Come on, this motherfucker hit my stop loss, closed my position, and now it's going up. Who does this, man? What's wrong with these guys? Okay, guys, I believe you've closed out 50% of your positions now. This is terrible, man. I wasn't part of this nice move, guys. Can you see this, guys? Wallah, wallah. Are you guys seeing this? We call the position here now is at 72 pips. God, I wasn't part of this position. But Simon Conley is part of this position, guys. What the hell? Okay. All right. So, guys, make sure that you have closed 50% of your positions and make sure as well that you have moved your stop loss to break even. It is very, very important. Okay. It is important. Very, very important, please. Very, very important. Okay. Okay. I've got a couple of messages here. It's, let's see. Some says it's forms w. Okay, what's TP is there. We should be when should we say BE now? Big thanks in profit. Woo! In euro USD also. Woo! Anna, I'm gonna send my account number so you can forward me your tithe. Okay. Okay, Simon Conley, yes, I mean, yes. I'm happy for you guys. Really, I'm so happy. I'm not taking any advantage here. I'm not taking advantage of these positions here. I just called it. I got stopped out, and this motherfucker just started moving up. This is a very big slap on my face. I'm supposed to have gained something around close to 12,000 here, but then guess what? I just got stopped out at zero. But guess what? Also, I'm very fine because after this streaming, I'm going to drill NAS. I'm going to skim NAS. I'm going to screw NAS so much. I will make sure I get double of what I'm supposed to get in this trade for NAS. all right, guys. Go ahead and like my stream. Make sure you're following me on Telegram, please. Please. I'm saying please because I need you to get rich. Okay? Follow me on Telegram so that we can all get rich together. Okay? Some people are asking me, hey, can you go ahead and be sharing all these things with us so that we go ahead and be rich with you? Yes, I am. But right now, my main focus is this guy that likes to focus on one thing at the same time, right? At the time, I like to focus on one thing, right? And right now, I want to focus on turning my 1,000 to 1 million. You know what that means? It means I'm one of the greatest traders alive. You know what I mean? All these guys that are making noise online, a lot of them has not turned 1,000 to 1 million, right? So I'm focused on becoming one of the greatest traders alive. Okay, that's my focus. Once I achieve this aim, I'm going to now look at every single person in the group. I'll make sure that I make millionaires out of the people in that group. So that is my aim. Okay. So now, if I say please, do you know why I say please? Because I need people to cheer me up, sort of, to like, whoo, guy, you're doing great. Because when people say that, I feel like, oh, I don't disappoint these people that are saying that I'm doing great, right? I want to do better, right? So because of that, I'm going to go ahead and do more, right? So that is it. Go ahead and follow me. You are the best I've ever met on YouTube. Oh, Anna, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Simon Conley. But can I tell you guys something? I'm nowhere near the best. I am nowhere near the best. I've got some people. This challenge I'm doing now, it's actually someone's challenge, right? Someone turned $1,000 into $1,000,000 in 8 days. $1,000 to $1,000,000 in 8 days. So I decided to challenge this guy at least to first of all turn $1,000 to $1,000,000 in a couple of weeks. I'm going to set the account aside and fund another account with another $1,000, and I'm going to turn it to 100,000. Withdraw the 100,000, turn the 100,000 again, but the 1,000 to 100,000 again. Okay, now withdraw the 100,000, open another account, fund 100,000, and target 10 million. That's what I'm targeting now, guys. So I want to do something strange. 1,000 to 1 million is done. I want to do it first. It's a first step for me. The next thing I'm going to do is to fund another account with another 1,000 All right. Then turn it to 100,000, withdraw it. The withdrawal is just to pacify myself. I mean, to tell myself, oh, you've done well, right? After that withdrawal, I'm going to fund another 1,000 again, turn it to 100,000. Then withdraw the 100,000, fund another account with 100,000, and turn it to 10 million. That is going to be my this year's goal for me. That's my this year's goal. 2022 and end of 2022 goal. If I'm not able to achieve this in 2022, then I'm going to achieve it in first quarter of 2023. Yeah, that's the game. That's the game. Let's take a look at German index. I love this pair so much. See, it has moved since start. It has moved 74 pips. And NAS is still, causing some havoc. Oh, NAS has moved 82 pips. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, guys. Now you are supposed to have closed 50% here, right? So let's see what price is doing. If price is able to get to this zone, we're gonna close 25% more. So leaving open positions to be only 25%. Then we let 25% run to this area. Okay. If for any reason we notice some funny movement around here, then we're going to close 15 more percent so that 10% will be what we are risking now. In case the 10% crosses this zone, then we're going to close it out. Okay, that is the game. That's the game. That's how to do it. That's how to do it. Okay, let's see how it works out. Just want to check out on a couple of pairs here. Let me look at US30. If I look at US30 and it's doing something I like, then from tomorrow I'll start trading US30 during my live stream. It's gonna be tough, but I will do that. I will do that. Believe me, I'm gonna do that. Euro USD consolidating, German index forming some drama, and US30. Ooh, come on, guys. God damn. 1730 is here. And then the whole confirmation happened. Confirmation, then W, right? If I were in this, if I were here, this was going to be my entry, or perhaps this, but this is too small. Let's assume this. How many pips? Damn! If I had gotten in here, guys, you see profits? The profits, it would have been somewhere around 130. So, guys, can I get your vote now? Guys, can I get your votes now? Please, guys, let's get the votes, please. I need to see people on YouTube dropping stuffs. I need to see, should we switch to US30 from tomorrow? Should we migrate from NAS100 to US30? If I can get up to 10 people telling me to switch, then from tomorrow, US30 it is. If you feel comfortable with NAS, tell me I'm okay with NAS. If you want me to switch from NAS to US30, just type switch, and that's all I need to see. Okay? Hello, my dear Mikwabo28. Yes, we are almost done. Apologies for that. Do not worry, my dear. Join us tomorrow morning again. We're gonna be, we're gonna hit milk German index again. That is all. The other way around, German index is gonna milk us. You never can tell what's happening. So it's not too late. Just join us again. Join us again so that join us tomorrow so that we can make the money together. I mean, there is always opportunity every day, right? Mitch Coabo28 is telling me that he's okay with NAS. All right, it's good to know that. Thank you very much for telling us that. And from YouTube, everybody is not saying anything. That's beautiful. Wow, what did he trade? He traded gold. Simon Conley. This young man traded gold. Okay. I'm glad we get to watch you do this awesome challenge. It's motivation. Yes. Follow whatever your choice. Can switch if you prefer. Or Anna is okay with anything. So as long as there's profit, she's okay with everything. Now, guys, If we had traded US30, by now we are going to be at 178 pips profit. Now, and NAS is still giving us less than 100. Guys, this is a slap on our intelligent faces. Really, it's a slap on our faces. Okay, and Simon Conley is suggesting we should do switch on Monday. Okay, okay, and if we switch, let's do Monday. Okay, excuse me. NAS100 is my baby. Keep NAS. King Cole, I've got your back. It's okay. I still have not gotten up to 8 supporters of US30. So Max, do you mean yes? What does yes mean? Does it mean switch or what? Let me know what yes means, okay? So we can know how to support you accordingly. Let me know what yes means, please. Please. Okay? Now, guys, do not forget the plan. Do not forget the plan. Now, you are supposed to be securing what? Another 25%. Do you remember? You are supposed to have secured 25%, 50% here, additional 25% secured here, and the rest 25% left for final TP. But if price jumps into this area and start behaving funny, then we close 15% and let 10% run. And if 10% crosses this zone again, then we close the 10% and call it a day. Okay. So I believe you have closed your 25% already, guys. Okay. 25%. Okay. Right here is what? 50%. Okay. That is the plan. So 25% closed, 50% closed. Okay. So what we have left now is only 25% running. Can I tell you something? If you still have 100% of your positions running, happy to you. Because you never see it coming. It's just going to happen like magic. It's just going to drop. Okay, for switch, I've got only 3. I've got only 3 guys. So unfortunately, until I get the required number of support I need, I'm going to keep NAS. Okay? NAS will keep fucking us. I'm sorry if I'm using the F word, guys. Apologies, really. So much apologies. Because this is not how to move, man. This guy is just wasting our time. It's wasting our beautiful time. Look at what's happening here. You see? Let's really do a top-down analysis on NAS to see, I mean, on US30 to see if we would have caught this today. Okay? Let's do a top-down analysis on US30. This is the trend, uptrend. And this guy is coming down. Beautiful. And 4 hours in one daily, I can see a great deal of support here. So let's add one support here. And for 4 hours, we've got a lot of noise around the same support level, which is beautiful. What do I say? What else do I have to say? That US30 moved 1,200 pips on the day of news release. This is a slap on my face. Please, can a couple of more people comment on the switch so that we can switch this, man? We can't be dealing with US30 NAS, man. See this move? Damn. Wow. So basically, we've got nothing happening on NAS today. So if I were trading NAS, what I would have done is perhaps to join this list, join these lines, okay? If I join these lines before this, I'm assuming that 17 o'clock is not there. I'm assuming that 1700 is not there. Bro, you need to go to the 1 hour and sell NAS now. Okay, thank you for that advice, Adrian Max. Okay, do not forget, guys. You're supposed to have closed up to 75% of your positions now. Okay. Now, this was going to be my chart, and of course, I'm going to have stuff like this around here. Okay, basically, this is what I'm going to have. And then for, oh, this is complicated, I would have seen this knowing that this area is going to be broken. That's this. So they basically, I'm going to know definitely that for this I'm going to have this. I need something to come to this, right? It didn't really touch it. It didn't really touch it. Are you sure? Maybe I may not have taken a position here, guys. Maybe because there was no touch. I don't see any touch at all. But let's proceed. Without the touch, you can still manage. Okay, let's see the way it's playing out. Okay, man, it's tough. I think US30 is tough. It's tough to read. Really, I'm completely lost as it stands. I'm lost in thoughts, trying to put my thoughts together. Right. So this was gonna be let's see, 7:15, 7:30. So it jumped down all the way to this level, right? And then jumped up. So let's see 10 minutes and then look at 5 minutes and look at 1 minute. So if I had seen this, sorry, if I had seen this, right? So let me see what's they had that nice. If I had seen this move, I would have assumed that W is coming because right here is tough. I can't just open any position here. There is volume, and when this volume comes, perhaps this is already 5 minutes into NYSE open. I would have called a shot here, right? I would have called a shot here with stop loss around here, and our stop loss would have been hit. Our stop loss 100% would have been hit. Okay, let's leave this. I will study now. I will study US30. I want to see what works for US30. Okay, I want to see what the hell works for US30. After studying that, if I have gotten up to the 12 stuff I talked about, then I can update my guys on the group. Sell US30. I told you sell. You told me sell. Man, I'm not trading US30 yet. Cosmos down to switch. Okay, man, I need one switch from one person, but thanks for that. Thanks for indicating your interest in the switch. Let's see how it's gonna happen. All right, guys. All right. So what's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen? What's it gonna be? Now let's see. Can I say something? I said that price is gonna reverse and continue going up. Price is gonna hit our TP. Really, I'm not in the mood for sales. So this guy should not try me. If he tried me, I'm gonna break my screen. I'm just gonna technically break my screen. What the hell? What the hell is happening here? I don't want to sell nothing. Okay, this closed strong bearish and this actually broke above. Now it's coming to retest. Guys, I do not really see any sell. I don't see any sell. So why is everyone clamoring for sell? I don't see any sell. I do not see any sell. I just in case, guys, you're joining me just now, please just go ahead and follow me on Telegram. This is my Telegram channel name. Go search for me and then follow me. Okay. If you don't know how to search, go ahead and look at the description. You're gonna see the link to that to my channel. Click on it, and you are there. Okay. So 1 minute is pointing down. 5 minutes is pointing down. Now, let me tell you guys what is gonna happen on NAS, whether price is gonna fall or not. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom out right now. Okay, now this line has been invalidated. Why? Because price has closed above it and remains the second line. So permit me to please close this line. Okay, thank you, darling. Now, what we have left now is this line coming all the way from above, from 13th, okay, from 13th, coming from 13th, touching on 15th, and then touching a couple of times on 15 again, and then now touched. Okay, guys, can I tell you something? If you still have any position open on NAS, just close it. We're going to get another buy, okay? Let's look for another buy, okay? If you have position open on NAS, close it. It's okay. Close it out. It's okay. Why did I say that? I said I requested for the closure because looking at these touches, right? After each touch, did you see what happened next? Nice. Starting from here, right? You guys saw what happened next, right? So price never broke above this zone, right? Yeah, I know I anticipated a break because I anticipated some sort of force to push all the way up. Now let me show you guys something very interesting. Okay, you can only see this, visualize it the way I'm visualizing it when you are very smart. Okay, now there is consolidation here. This consolidation alone, I didn't see that coming, by the way, but then looking at this consolidation is telling me something, just one thing, that price is coming back here to retest. Price is not even, may not even touch this line. I don't know, price may not even touch this line. It's just coming down here to retest, and then it's going to pump up. This level, this zone is going to be broken today. This trend line will be broken today. Okay, so if you have open positions, I'm going to admonish you to close it so that we wait for another entry around here. Do not forget, this price may come down here. It may insist on going up all the way. What I know is that price is going to see this trend line today, not tomorrow. Price is going to see this trend line today. So for those asking me to sell, is a wawa. If you know what I mean by wawa, wawa means no. It's a wawa. I'm not going to sell nothing. Okay, but it makes sense if I get the hell out of market and then wait for retracement, because man, come on, you got 80 pips, 83 pips. Why the hell are you still in the market? Get the hell out. It's okay. It's fine. All right. I'm holding my 25% on NAS to see if we can continue. Yeah, that's fantastic. I can say something. You guys can decide to do what you feel is going to work out for you, okay? So don't take everything I say to be final, okay? Someone is saying that he or she is holding something, is holding the 25% to see where it takes her. It's okay. If the 25% runs down to break even, she's not losing nothing. If it goes to TP, she's gaining a lot, right? So I think it makes sense. That's nice, Simon Conley. I love that. I love the spirit. Okay, now let's get back to our thing proper. So now let's take out our Fibonacci and do the math. Nice. This is where we expect price to touch next. Okay, that is if it doesn't break above here. If it breaks above here, if price breaks above this level, 121.50, it means this green line zone here is invalidated. Okay, if it doesn't cross above, then we still have party coming up. So if you have the strength, stay online. If you don't have the strength, feel free to drop. If you understand what I'm doing, you're going to be so excited because I'm looking for some sort of mini sell. Okay, mini sell, not some sort of mini sell, because I wasn't part of this entire move. I got stopped out by this, so I want to see if I can get any confirmation here that there's going to be a reversal, and I'm going to jump in and ride it until I get to 120.70. Okay. I'm going to get in only if there is a confirmation. Okay, if there's no confirmation, I'm never going to get in. So if you're looking at me now via YouTube or whatever, please do not open any position unless you get some sort of confirmation. Okay. Hello, everyone. Okay, Andreas Drake 200. How are you, my friend? I hope you're fine. It's good to have you around. Let's see what price is doing. Oh, it's all NAS. Euro USD. I need to open one more multiple positions today. Let me open Euro USD and see if I'm gonna get any opportunity. Wow, I think I'm gonna get opportunity just now. Let's see. So this zone gave us what we wanted. So just gonna close it out. And we don't need this. We don't need this. This is a lot of noise. Oh my god! Did I really do this? God damn! Anytime I'm talking, I can actually do things I cannot remember. Can someone call my mama? I'm a bit worried about Euro USD because if I decide to draw this line right from the most recent low, you know what I mean, wave. This is the most recent wave. This wave right here, from the low of the most recent impulsive wave to the high of that wave, right? This is it, right? So if I expect price to come all the way here, right, all the way here, I'm just scared because go to 5 minutes. Let's have a good view. If you go to 5 minutes, you're going to see that this guy is connected to this trend line. These two are connected, and nothing else has connected to this trend line. All right. What if this guy comes here and slips through for this trend line? Just because connection matters, right? So maybe we may see this, or we may see this. That's what we may see. Okay. I don't know. 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 I want price to come down here. That's all I desire right now. Okay, that's all I desire because I don't know. Anytime I'm live streaming, I tend to miss trades, man. I miss trades. I mean, to myself. I mean, it was before I'm gonna enter. Everything is done. The whole movie is done and stuff like that, right? And it's not no longer funny for me. And I do not want to stop live streaming. I mean, I enjoy it a lot. I'm not gaining nothing from it. Nothing. Nothing, no gains. But then I still have fun with it. 120, 120.56. Let's see NAS. NAS, darling. 120.56, 120.56, 120.56. That's okay. That is. Why is Simon currently seeing 120.56? Hello, Simone. Where are you getting that, minor overview? Where are you getting that minor overview, please? I want to learn from you. Okay, nice. So this is actually what we're targeting for this guy. We want it to touch this guy, to touch this area at least, or this area. Okay, the entire green area, anywhere there is okay. As long as it doesn't, cross it, we're fine. If it crosses this entire green line, then we stay off. Okay. So we want price to touch this somewhere around the green line so that we can write it down. I just want to write something, There's nothing to write. Oh, NAS is giving me something to write, guys. Can you see this? So you remember what I told you guys when I drew this line? I told you guys price was going to come there and reverse, right? It's happening already. Okay. So I didn't get in on time. It's too late already. It's fine. I'm gonna milk NAS. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry about me. I'm supposed to have gotten in here. This was supposed to be my entry on NAS. Yes. Get in here. 23 pips stop loss. And by now I'm gonna be in 22 pips profit. And subsequently I'm gonna be in 55 and I'm gonna close in huge profit. But we still have time. I close now. It's going for retest. Exactly what I thought. But it's okay. It was good that you attempted to to make some more money. Oh my god! I should have taken this trade. I should have taken this trade, man. Really, I regret it now. Now I don't like my talking attitude anymore. I do not like my talking attitude anymore. See? This would oh guys, if I took this trade, can you imagine my joy now? I was talking about Euro USD and the NAS slipped away from me. And my markings was there, everything. Oh, what about this? This is still not working. If it doesn't touch this line, collapse, I'm not gonna take it. Damn, guys, did you see? If I took this trade, do you think I'm gonna wait for TP? I'm done, I'm gone already. If I wanted to ride this wave down here, and the wave already completed, and I wasn't part of it. This is what I get to see for streaming. But if I was on my own, I mean, for those guys that are forcing me to share every single idea I have on Telegram, it's never going to happen, right? I'm going to share what I'm comfortable to share because I'm a risker. I'm a very die-hard risker. Okay, so and if I tell you I risk 5%, sometimes I risk absolutely 5%. Sometimes I risk 5.5. That's gonna show you how crazy I am. Okay, what if I give you a position and it doesn't work out? Well, guys, I opened 250 positions. You think someone that opens 250 positions is okay? Come on, guys. I'm going to share with you guys what I'm comfortable, like, what I think is going to work out completely. Completely. I don't want you guys to lose your money. I risk because I know if I lose it, I'm going to get it back. But what about you? I mean, I don't know your schedule, right? So have mercy on me, guys. It's a lot of pressure, but then I'm going to try anyway. I'm going to try. I'm going to try. Euro USD, I want you to please go and kiss this zone, okay? Kiss this zone and drop. I'm not gonna ride Euro USD downwards because Euro USD is crazy. I'm only gonna ride Euro USD upwards. I want to see Euro USD in this area. Okay. If I can get Euro USD in this area, then I can ride it. But riding it downwards is risky because it could turn anywhere. Let me show you where the another possible place where Euro USD, excuse me, could reverse. Okay. This is another area where Euro USD could reverse. Okay. So maybe if Euro USD touches this zone and start to go down, it may touch this level and turn back. So for me to make sure that I am all aligned with everything, with my trade is okay, I'm not at risk, I prefer to have this so that if Euro USD touches this line, right, it goes. If I take sales, it means that Euro is just going to come here and push me out. I'm going to be in loss, right? But if I take a buy from here, let's assume it doesn't touch this line. It doesn't touch this zone. It's fair. It's okay. Once it touches here and touches this line, because this is one of the criteria for taking buys. If Euro USD touches this line, finds support on this line, and form some sort of reversal, I'm going to join it for a ride. That's what I'm going to do. For those of us asking in my group, wondering how I'm converting $1,000 to $1 million, this is how I'm doing that. I am patient with it. I don't force it. Okay, I do not force it. On a second thought, on a second note, what if this guy has actually hit our feeble level? What if this is actually our feeble level, right? That's why it's good to understand how feeble works. See, if this were to be our feeble level, then it means we are hit already. Price is pretty much ready to move. NAS is doing nice. Okay. What we want to do, guys, is to ride NAS backwards. Now, NAS, we've got NAS where we want NAS, right? We've got it where we want it, but guess what? It's not touching this young man yet. Okay, we want a touch and possibly some sort of deep romance, deep tissue romance. You know what I mean? Deep tissue romance around here. If I can get it and then get a breakout, that's going to be my entry for price to continue going up. Okay, that's going to be the breakout that's going to break through all this and hit our TP. Okay, so guys, hang on in there. If you want to drop, feel free to drop. If you don't want to drop, hang on in there. I'm here with you. AUD is disturbing you. Haha, it's okay. EU, EU is insane, guys. Don't worry about me and EU. I know how to handle EU. EU is my best friend, is my darling. I know how to handle it. Well, I handle it best when I'm offline. When I'm online talking, I barely understand EU. I just need a deep thought, quiet time to understand EU. So EU is moving. So automatically, I'm going to change this level to this would have been the correct level here because there is a wave, impulse wave, and correction here. So now the end of this correction is the start of the next impulse wave, and this was the impulse wave, right? So it was supposed to be here at the start of this impulse wave. So impulse wave has found resistance. But it has been pushed back by this resistance. So it was supposed to come down here to find support somehow. Once it finds support and touches this line, then I'll begin to look out for a buy. If it doesn't touch this line, I'm not going to buy anything. I'm just going to call it a day. Okay. I need it to touch this line. So as a result of that, I'm going to set up an alarm here. Oh my God, I've got more than 1,000 alarms pending. I've got to clear them on. Oh, guys, can you see what NAS is doing? So, what is my friend's name? Let me comment him. Adrian Mex. You are right. You are right about NAS and US30 dropping, right? So now I accept this defeat. Why? I'm accepting this because it broke below my level. Okay. Once anything breaks below my level, I'm not comfortable to jump in again. Okay. That is how I work. So yes, you are right, my dear. Congrats on detecting that. Let's quickly look at Euro USD. It's already there. I just want to touch on this line. Let's take a peep at US30. US30, darling, is yet to hit that line. Yet to hit that line. Let's see if there's actually a line before now. So this is where I expect US30 to reverse. So if you are trading US30, good luck with this. This is your reversal point, okay? This is the price tag. Yes, this is the reversal point. Mark it out on your chart and watch it out. Once you see a reversal signs, please jump in and take your money. Okay, it's your money. Oh my God, look at NAS, guys. Would you see NAS? Damn, guys, you see, I should have taken this sell. I really should have taken this sell. Really, I really should have taken the sells. Really. Okay, I think. Oh, I like what I see, guys. Get ready, guys. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, everyone. Size of positions, size of positions, size of positions. This time around, just like Simeon Conley suggested, we're going to wait for a W pattern. If we do not see a W pattern, no trade, okay? But if it comes, we get in directly, okay? That is it. And look at, guys, 1 minute is so beautiful. You get to see all every single pattern playing out in less than 10 minutes. You're going to see patterns drawing, printing, that is why I just enjoyed trading 1 minute. I get to see all my favorite patterns every time, and I take complete advantage of it. I don't every single thing I've read about them. If you are my streaming a couple of days back, you're gonna see I talked about how I did a lot of courses on forex. I took a lot of courses online. Of course, most of them are not paid. Most of them are just free courses, But then they speak a lot of English, trying to confuse you and scare you away with a lot of English. But guess what? I'm not scared, right? So with those knowledge now, I look at my notebooks and I see patterns, and those patterns I see basically 99% of them every day in 1 minute. Guess what? And I take advantage of them. That's beautiful. Imagine one of them is triple top, right? Triple top, or you call it head and shoulder. So when you see this guy, okay, let's assume you didn't see this guy, that you only spotted this one and two. This is rising channel. You take advantage down. That's it, guys. A lot of things, guys. A lot of things are happening here. Let's assume this guy was not there, right? You just see this. There's a wave here. There's correction here to Fibonacci ratio, a level ratio, whatever, and you take it down. That's the way it is. And it seems our entry has been invalidated, guys. It seems our entry has been invalidated. It seems our entry has been invalidated. So the next thing we're looking out for now is to see what price is going to do around this level. Okay, now we're looking at this level. Unfortunately, it is what it is. If you had gotten into position without confirmation, my guy, my sister, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. You need to have confirmation before you get into any position. It is what it is. Did you see the way we are just gradually taking decisions? We don't have any fixed decision. You just have to know what you're looking for. Once you don't get what you're looking for, you have to change immediately. You don't have to get stuck with that. You have to change. So I wanted something and it's wanted to happen and suddenly it's no longer happening. What do? I've got to change. Right? Let's take a peep at German index to see how it's doing. Right now, it's not the best of options right now. Euro USD is attempting to touch this line. Once it does, we can give it complete attention. But from what I see here, there is a reversal already ongoing. What needs to actually complete this touch here is a fake out. A fake out needs to happen for this touch to activate. Again, let's go to 1 hour. There's a lot of chances, there is a lot of possibility for this candle to reverse, okay? Because of that, this week rejection around here, there's a lot of them here, so you can't just escape it. So let's see, let's just pay very good attention. But then, I don't know, let's see. I've got a lot of comments here. I've got a lot of comments here. Let's look for buys. The sale is gone. Yeah, my dear. The sale is gonna come. The sale is gonna come now. I mean, the buys are gonna come now. And the NAS buy loading. Yes, you are right. Thanks, bro. All good. We just learning. Yes, 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 yes. You're right. LOL. Lots of love. NAS is crazy, man. Wow. Yes, of course. Can we check Euro USD on 1 minute? 1 minute, yes, it's been on 1 minute, my brother. It's been on 1 minute, right? USD has been on 1 minute, my dear. It's been I don't if you've been following me for a long time, you're gonna see that I don't take trades using 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes anymore. Before I used 30 minutes and 1 hour, but then since I decided to switch, I switched directly into 1 minute, but finish my analysis and then take trades with 1 minute. Okay. So you scalp on 1 minute according to patterns. Yes. That's what I do. AUD, it is. Sorry, guys. Apologies for that. Now we've got a very important point, but we just want to see just one bearish candle. We just want to see one bearish candle so that we can establish a connection. Okay. Now this is done. We are done with this. It has established, giving us some sort of visibility. What we want to see is a bearish candle signifying that this move is okay, is done. This wave is done so that we can anticipate some correction. Now, Simeon Conley, you see what I told you initially? I told you we don't always get that W. See, we see this, all this is gone, and we may continue to see upward trend without any W, right? So let's see how this works out. It's most likely is that candle. This actually, I call this kind of pattern V pattern. It just happens, touches something. I mean, it meets with support or resistance, and then it just goes back immediately in V format, just down in V format and up in V format. There's no W there, right? But how do you get to find these patterns? It's difficult to find, really. Go just run through here. See there. Can you see any V here? It's all W. It's all W, guys. It's all W. This V pattern actually happens mostly in 15 minutes, 1 hour. No, not 15 minutes, 1 hour mostly. 1 hour mostly. Okay. For these tiny time frames that I'm trading with and my friends, I think we should always anticipate W. Okay. But if it doesn't happen, what to do? So we've got some sort of pause around there. So now this is what we're anticipating, but I'm not sure this is gonna work because there's no touch on this trend line yet. I want to get a touch. I just wish this guy can be so kind to just flow down and touch it. Then we can, but then we can't wait for that touch. We just have to draw up our targets to see. So this is where I'm expecting price to land. Excuse me. If price lands here and gives me a reversal pattern, making it a total W, like C, W, then we can jump in for profits to start dropping. Okay, this is done with, we are done with this, so I'm going to delete it. NAS, yes, NAS is playing out fine. So let's get back to NAS. Let's get back to NAS now. I like what is forming here. What is forming here is pretty much very interesting. Excuse me. Okay, so this is where we anticipate price to land before we continue going up. But if price continues to go up, we're going to beat it farewell. We're going to tell it, hey, low price, you decided to go up without us. Okay, good luck to you. Wow, guys, do you know really that we've missed 104 pips here? Man, this can be crazy, guys. This can actually be so crazy. This is insane. So, guys, just to let you guys know, um, we are going to meet different market conditions every single different day. A new day different market condition. Okay, that is why you have to be mentally prepared. You watch out. Any day I'm not mentally prepared, I don't come online. I simply send a message on my group and I say, guys, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be online today. I'm not going to stream today. That's it. Because it's the best thing to do instead of losing your money and letting people lose their money. So different day, they come with different patterns, different structures, a lot of things, Not the way this triple top or head and shoulder formed here, is not the same way that it formed here that it formed the last time, the previous time it formed. So these are basically the things I'm trying to say here. So Simeon Conley, do you see? We didn't get W here. Euro USD is just pushing up. We didn't get no W, man. Dang. If I were not streaming, if I were not on live stream, believe me, guys, I would have packed positions on Euro USD. If I were not streaming live, see, from this break, here, I would have packed positions until somewhere here, all right? Now I would have gone out because I'm looking for mostly 11 pips to 18 pips or sometimes 20 pips. Then I would have closed. Okay, someone, 1 second, guys. Let's see. Nas Neo. Nas is our baby too, but I think Simon has a point. If we switch, let it be on Monday. It's okay. I'm gonna first of all study Nas to see the way it moves. Then I will give you guys feedback on this move, okay? That's the only thing I think I can do right now. Guys, I think I should close Euro USD. It's just disturbing me. Just taking my attention away from things that matter, right? Okay. And Adrian Mex is saying we're still going to sell when it goes back to last high. Please put price star flags on NAS US30. Okay, all right. It's okay. My dear Simon Conley, do not worry. Uh do not worry yourself. Once we get a position, then we can put price tags. Okay. The only way you can get price tags is if I use this level, right? When I use this kind of what's it called, horizontal array. That's when you see this, right? And it's gonna date my chart for now. I already have a lot of lines, moving up, down, and up, down. So we don't wanna mess up the charts more, right? Okay, so this is actually what I'm looking at. A touch here, then a reversal sign. Then we're gonna get in, maybe perhaps somewhere here, and we're gonna still 100 pips from NAS, not more. Initially, I wanted us to target this level, but it's gonna be tough because a break away from here, if price touches this level again, we may see another drop, and then it just keeps going on and on and on. So it's better the bed at hand is better than the bed on in the sky, or whatever, however it's said. Hi, good afternoon. Please, I'm new on Forex. Oh, ho. My dear, I have just one advice for you. Go ahead, join this group, PPPdirhams. Join us there. Then, any post you see on the group, just go ahead, go to the comment section and just write anything you want to ask me, any question you want to ask me, write those questions. I'm going to reply you in less than 10 minutes. Okay, as long as you are referring, you address the question to me, I'm going to respond to you in less than 10 minutes. But if you want the house to answer, you just address the question to all, and somebody is going to answer you from the members. One of the members is going to answer you, because we are like family. We treat each other like family, and we respect each other, and we try as much as possible to help each other, with answers to their questions. So if you want to talk to me directly, ask me your questions there. And if you want to talk to someone else, maybe someone who is better, available and experienced more than me. We have people that experience more than me there, right? So they're going to talk to you as well. Okay, go ahead and do that. PPPdirhams, that is the channel to join. Okay, do that, and we will get in touch with you, my friend. Let me know when you join, or just when you join, just comment so I will know who is actually the person that is new to forex, so we can all have a good time with you. Okay, Mahama. Okay, okay, nice, nice. Good to have you around. Welcome, my dear. Welcome. Good to have you around, guys. I say we buy from here. Okay, I say we buy from here. Unfortunately, it's only 90 pips, but then it's worth it. Do not forget, now we are risking 40 pips. Okay, and these are the price tags. Okay, nice, nice, beautiful, beautiful. What I said is we buy from here. I didn't say open any position. This is a buy stop from here. Okay, not necessarily a buy stop. Once we see price break above here, we can open. If you don't want to open with buy stop, then you wait for price to break above, then open manually. See, price is going to our favorite area. Now we remove this. Let's call this off. Okay, we call this off and wait for price to now form a reversal. See, this is the way trade works. You have to constantly make changes to your plan, because market conditions will not give you opportunity to have just one stringent plan and you work with it, man. If this works that way, then perhaps Raja Banks would have been a billionaire by now. Okay, we don't know what price is doing anymore, guys. Really, I don't know what price is doing. Really, I think I've overstayed my welcome today. Really, price is beginning to play with my head. But let's see. I think I really stand a very nice opportunity today with NAS. Yes, it's beginning to show reversal signs. Euro USD. Sorry if I'm calling this name. So since one of the major reasons why we're here, guys, is to trade NAS. Okay, I think we still have some underlying conditions here. We have not exhausted our options. Okay, now this is the next condition, guys. The next condition is for price to come here and reverse. Okay, if we don't see reversal signs around here, then we end the stream. Now this level has been broken, so our assumptions were wrong. Okay, so we have to now see what price does around here. If it doesn't respect reversal around here, then we have to call it a day and go home and rest and eat and sleep, because right now in UAE it's almost 7 p.m. Excuse me, it's almost 7 p.m. I need to spend some time with my family as well. So this is a very important level. So all price is piercing through, guys. Come on, we need to end the stream and go, guys. It's all a sell, nothing. There's nothing buying here today. It's all a sell. Come on. So I didn't make any profit in my own live stream today. I God, this is not fair, man. I actually had some anticipation that price was going to break above, but I was just killing myself. If I had looked at this the way it is, this would have actually been a sell, right? I would have seen this sell if I had looked at it the way it is. Let's see, guys, 145 pips. God damn it. But the guys, one good thing about our strategy? We always wait for confirmations, right? Without confirmations, nobody risk nothing, right? But then this had it been we got a nice confirmation here, really, it would have been a very beautiful trade. Let me look at yeah, if I had fixed my mind on sales today, we have confirmation here. We have very nice confirmation, but I am fixated on buys. That is why I missed this. If I hadn't fixed my mind on buys, guys, I wouldn't have missed. Shit, man, this is 150 pips, 156 pips. Hey, LeBron, NFT, how are you? Thanks, thanks, thanks. Hey, Samuel, welcome. You guys should just go ahead and ask me your questions. You guys, I can see you guys joined newly. Go ahead and ask me your questions, please. Okay, ask me your questions, then we can work from there. Okay, if I can answer your question, I'm gonna refer you to one of my proteges, Neo. Neo, okay, Neo. Neo will attend to you, or Mervin Klima. Mervin Klima is gonna attend to you. Okay. I am tempted to see if I'm going to be able to take just one position on Euro USD. This is not compulsory, guys. We only take position when we see the need to do that. Okay, if we don't see, then it becomes very unnecessary. Man, then NAS is blowing down. Is he ever going to give us opportunity to get in? Is NAS ever going to give us opportunity to get in? US, I mean, what is the name? Yes, please clear. Let's see road, please. US30. Okay, okay. Damn, man, this is really it's heartbreaking. But then we never planned for sales. Really, we never. This was unbeca like it, I didn't see that come. I didn't see these sales coming. I didn't see these sales coming. Really. Okay, guys, what we're going to do now is to respect ourselves and stay away from the market. We need to end the stream. We need to completely end the stream and come back tomorrow morning. Do not forget, join me tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. Dubai time. If you want to be early, come on at 10:55 a.m. Dubai time. Okay, everyone, I appreciate you joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you, your questions and everything. Okay. Uh, thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourselves. Please maintain your profits. Do not give away your profit to anybody, to any asset, to any trading pair. Close your laptop, pause your mobile phone. In fact, put your mobile phone under your bed and have fun. Okay. Do not let greed tempt you to lose this money you've gained today. Okay, everyone. Bye bye.